In this step-by-step guide tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to add email to your Facebook account. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more tutorial about Facebook topic. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to add email to Facebook accounts. Very easy step-by-step guide. The very first thing you need to do is to simply open up your Facebook accounts. I'm going to click on here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on this three slider. It takes you to this particular page. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and navigate to settings and privacy. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on privacy shortcuts. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and navigate to updates personal information. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on email address. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on add email address. Enter your email address, click on add email, and they are going to send a verification code to the particular email you enter. So it's as simple as that, and your mail will be successfully added to your Facebook account for a future recovery. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial, step-by-step guide tutorial about Facebook topic. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.